Now, let's learn about family members' name in Japanese. Family in Japanese, kazoku, kazoku. How is the word? Kazoku. First, the family starts from grandparents, tofuga. Japanese grandparents are called tofugo, tofugo. Okay. For my own grandparents, I will use grandfather, grandmother. Okay. And if someone else, grandparents, I use for grandfather and Isa, grandmother, I use Obasan. Oji-san, Obasan. My grandparents, Sofu, and grandchild, like grandchild, the word is Mago-san. The grandparents want to call me is Mago, is honoring the word of God, adding this. And Mago is our for adding it. Next is parents in Japanese. Ryoshi for my parents, Watashi no Ryoshi, and use haha, teaching. Mother, haha, father, teaching. Someone else, father and mother, oka-san, ka-san, oto-san. You can also say ka-san and to-san. Who is used to it? Okay, ka-san, oto. Next, for my own siblings, Japanese is kyodai, kyodai, okay. Japanese, my siblings, or older brother, Ani, my sister, Ane. Okay. A lot of people will get confusion to remember it. Older brother, Ani, Ane. Younger brother, Toto, my sister, Imoto. Toto, Imoto. My siblings, older brother, Ani, older sister, Ane. Younger brother, Oto, younger sister, Imoto. And talking about someone else, sibling, okay. Older sister of someone else, One-san, One-san. The long A sound here, One-san. And for older brother, One-san. Then my own Hani, then someone else older brother, Ni-san. My own older sister, Ane, someone else older sister, One-san. Okay, the Ne sound is same, the Ni sound is same for brother. Next, the younger sister, someone else sister, Imoto-san, and someone else brother, smaller brother, younger brother, Ototo-san. Toto-san, Imoto-san. Same, just add san at the end. Next is husband and wife. Fufu means couple, Japanese. Who is that for the respect again? Fufu means my and someone. My, one called my husband. Shujin or Otto. But I use Shujin, to. And for my wife, Kanai and Suma. The TSU song, Suma, Kanai and Suma. Words are used. Kanai and Suma. Someone else's wife and husband is someone else's wife, Kusan, Kusan, and husband, Oshujin. Oshujin. Next, we have children. Children, Japanese is Kodomo. Kodomo. My own children, I'll say for son, I'll say Musko. For daughter, Musume. Musu, Musko. Musume, Musume. And someone else, Musko-san and Musume-san. Okay, for someone else son, Musko-san, someone else daughter, Musume-san. And children in general in Japanese, and also you can use small children, O-san. Okay, next is laws. It's not that important learning like for because in Japan, still if you want to learn. Brother-in-law, Girino Ani, younger brother-in-law, Girino Ototo, sister-in-law, Girino Ani, younger sister-in-law, Girino Yoto. Just add Giri, no, at the beginning. Okay. Here you can see the family chart of my own Japanese members, starting from the Tofu and Sogo. Okay, then the parents, Ryoshin, Chichi, Haha. Then you can so the Kyodai, the brother, sister, and Kodomo. You can read that. Okay, just pause there and read that. Next is someone else, Japanese family member. This is a pre chart. Okay, how to call others family members. And as we discussed earlier, in the Oji-san, Oba-san for grandparents and for parents, Pa-san, Oto-san. If they were for siblings, Imoto-san, Ototo-san, and for wife and husband, Oku-san or Goshujin, and for children, Okosan, and